In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your story on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Messenger application and here at the bottom right, hit Add Stories. Now there, tap here on that sign where it says Your Story and it shows up all your current stories. I got 2 stories here. That is the first one and here is the second. And I can simply remove any of that stories or both of them. So let's say I want to remove that story and all I have to do here is just hit at this 3 dots icon and there hit Add Delete. And now the story is being deleted and now as you see I got just one story here and I also can delete this story if I want. To be able to do that I can do the following steps. Hit 3 dots, hit on delete and that's it. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.